8.2 question first, fourth one till the third part we completed. So put the values of this one. This is our question. We will put again the values. Standard values of this trigonometric ratio. Sin 30 is half plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3 whole divided by it's 2 upon root 3 plus half and plus 1. So find the LCM of this part and this part also. Okay. So if you see, here is the LCM 2 root 3. Okay. So whatever the LCM, multiply each and every term you will get. So here if I multiply 2 root 3. So what you will get? 2 get cancel. So here is only root 3. Here multiply that 2 root 3. And if we multiply by 2 root 3, this 3 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4 minus 4. This much only the numerator calculation. Whole divided by, again here is the 2 root 3. So multiply that, again root 3 get cancelled. 4. Here is also 2 root 3. 2 get cancelled. Plus root 3 and plus 2 root 3. Okay. So it will be reciprocal in that side. Here is nothing means here is the 1. So root 3 I am taking the common. Then what will be the addition? If here I am taking the root 3, here left the 1, here left the 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. The answer is 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 2 root 3. Do that reciprocal. Multiply by this 2 root 3. And divided by, again do the same calculation as per here also. Root 3, if I am taking the common, the 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So 4 plus 3 root 3. This much get cancelled. So what we have to do? Rationalize the denominator. So we will do the same term like this. So can I write this 3 root 3 minus 4. So do the rationalization. What I am getting now? See. In the numerator I got 3 root 3 minus 4. And in the denominator I have 3 root 3 plus 4. Okay. So now do the rationalization with opposite sign. 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay. So see, this both bracket are same. So it will be the whole square. 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. And here will be 3 root 3 plus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4, that is a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. What is our a? Our a is 3 root 3. So it becomes 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. Now you have to use here identity a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So our a is 3 root 3 and our b is 4. So what is the square of 3 root 3? 3 root 3 square is c. 3 root 3 is whole square. Okay, 3 square is 9 and root 3 square is 3. 9 3s are 27. So 27 minus 2 into a into b plus b square means what? 4 square. There is a 16. Now make also square here. I already made. Here is the 27 minus 16. So 27 minus 16 is the 11. Okay. So do that 27 plus 16. 43 minus this one. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 root 3. So this much is our final answer. We rationalize the denominator. So again, last from the question first of 8.2 first question. Again, we have to evaluate this question. So 5 cos square 60 degree. So cos square 60 degree means what? The square of cos 60 value. Okay. So 5 into what is the cos 60? Cos 60 is half and the square of this one. Okay. Always we are writing the square here only, not here. Okay. So plus 4 as it is into sec square 30 degree. So sec square value is 2 upon root 3 whole square minus tan square 45 is 1 square whole divided by, now sin square 30 degree is half whole square plus root 3 upon 2 whole square. So do the calculation. First make the square, always solve the bracket first. 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3 minus 1 whole divided by half square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 upon 2 square is 3 by 4. Multiply, do the multiplication first. Okay, so 5 into 1 by 4, 5 by 4 plus 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1, and what will be this one? See, denominator is same, so do the numerators addition. 3 plus 1, 4, and by 4 4 get cancelled, so here is the 1 only, so no need to write the 1 in the next step. Okay, so what will be the LCM of this one? 12. So 12 is the LCM. Multiply the each term by the LCM. 12 multiply 4 3s are 12, so 5 3s are 15 plus multiply by 12, 3 4s are 12, so 16 4s are 64 minus 1 into 12, the 12 is. So 15 plus 64 minus 12. So the answer is 67 upon 12. Exercise 8.2, question number 2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. First one is 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. The options are sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree and sin 30 degree. Indirectly, what we have to do here, we have to evaluate the value and whatever the value from out of this 4. Okay, so take this one as it is and put the values. 2 into tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So 1 upon root 3 whole square. So it will be 2 upon root 3 multiplication of this one, and this one 1 plus square of this one is 1 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3, this one as it is I have written. Do the cross multiplication. 3 plus 1 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3 divided by 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. So do the reciprocal. 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon 4. Okay. So if you see there is if I multiply this one, okay, 2 upon root 3 and 3 upon 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what the left in the denominator? 3 1s are 3 and 2 root 3. So there is the square root in the denominator. So do the rationalization. So multiply numerator and denominator to the root 3 value. So what you will get here? 3 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 2s are 6. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. So root 3 by 2. So check from this 4 option whose value is root 3 by 2. So we know that our answer is root 3 by 2 and this is the value of sin 60 degree. So which option is the correct? Option A is the correct. Second one from question 2. 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree. The options are given. Option A tan 90 degree, 1 sin 45 degree and 0. So put the values of tan 45 in both numerator and denominator. We will check which value is correct. So tan 45 we know that it's a 1. 1 minus 1 square, 1 plus 1 square. It's a 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. So it's a 0 upon 2. So the answer is 0. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. Now let's check about the third one. Question third one is given that sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true for when a equal to, means what should be the angle A? The options are given 0 degree, B 30 degree, C 45 degree and D is 60 degree. So what we have to do, that both value we have to check by putting one by one angles of these options. Means first we have to check 0 degree, then put instead of A 30 degree, then put 45 degree and then 60 degree. At which value this LHS equal to RHS, that is our angle A. So let's start with the option A. Let's put A is equal to 0. Sin 2 into 0, which is equal to 2 sin 0. Okay. So sin 2 into 0, 0 and 2 into, we know the sin 0 value is 0. Okay, sin 0 is 0 is equal to 0. So we got LHS equal to RHS. So what should be the value of A is 0 degree. So now no need to check for the 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Our correct option is option A. Third one true false is cos, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases, like the sin theta they are asking. So again see the 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. See theta increases. Let's check the cos values are increases or not. So we know that cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is I think root 3 by 2. Okay, cos 45 is 1 by 2. Okay, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. So this is 1, this is 0.87 calculation, and if you see 1 to 0, it is decreases. It is decreases as theta increases, means this statement is false statement. Okay, so fourth one, sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Means if we are taking theta equal to 30 degree, so does the sin 30 and cos 30 equal? Let's check it. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So see, 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2 are not equal. It means sin 30 is not equal to cos 30 degree. Means this also statement is not equal. Means this is also false statement. And the last one of this exercise, fifth one, is cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Cot A not defined. Is it correct? Let's check it. Cot 0 is equal to cos 0 upon sin 0. We can write it. Yes, cot's ratio is cos upon sin, tan sin upon cos. So cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So 1 upon 0 not defined. Means the statement is A, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. This is the true statement. From the exercise 8.2, question 4th one is true or false. State whether the given statement are true or false and justify your answer. So sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. So how we can justify it? Let's check about taking any angle instead of A and B. So here I am taking A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. So put in the LHS. Okay, our LHS is sin A plus B. So sin 60 plus 30 degree, which is sin 90 degree. Sin 90 is 1. So we got our LHS 1. So we will check for the same degree, we will got 1 for the RHS or not. So take the RHS, sin A plus sin B. What was our considered value for the A? Sin 60 plus sin B value we consider 30 degree. You can take any values for check. Sin 60 we know root 3 upon 2 and sin 30 1 upon 2. Denominator are same. So numerators directly addition root 3 plus 1 upon 2. So if you can see, we got our LHS 1 but RHS is this one. So LHS and RHS are not equal. So this given statement is not correct. So this is the false statement. Okay. Now second one from this same question is the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. It means sin ratio will be increases when 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. See here theta increases and they are asking does the sin theta values also increasing? Let's check it. See sin 0 is what? 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and finally 1. So 0 to 1 means what? It increases. So given statement is true for this one. Correct? 8.2 question number 3. If tan of a plus b equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3, the condition for angle a plus b is greater than 0 degree but less than equal to 90 degree. Here compulsory a is greater than b. We have to find the angle a and b. This question asked in the board exam 2014. Okay. So see what we have. Tan a plus b equal to root 3. So see tan a plus b, we know that root 3 value is of tan 60 degree. So tan 60 value is root 3. So I am going to replace this tan root 3 is by tan 60. So this tan get cancelled. So I got our first equation a plus b is equal to 60 degree as equation 1. Now take the second one. Tan a minus b equal to 1 upon root 3. Now check what value of the tan is 1 upon root 3. So this tan a minus b is equal to, it is the tan 30 value. So again this tan get cancelled. A minus b is equal to 30 degree. So solving equation 1 and 2, you will get our angles a and b. So remember that a is greater than b means we are subtracting a minus b. We are going in correct steps. So solve. A plus b is equal to 60, equation 1. Equation second, a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So directly it will cancel. 2a is equal to 90 degree. Addition we did. So a plus a, 2a. 60 plus 30, 90 degree. So it will be divided. A is equal to 45 degree. Put this value in any equation. You will get your next value. So this one I am going to put here only. A plus b is equal to 60 degree. What is our a? 45 plus b is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So move this 45 to this side. What we will get? 60 minus 45. So 60 minus 45 is 15 degree. So what are our values? A is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 15 degree.